Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate brand analytics visuals using Databox, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate brand analytics visuals using Databox, start by logging into your Databox account. Ensure you have the necessary access to your brand's analytics data. Navigate to the dashboard section where your brand visuals are displayed. Select the specific visual you wish to authenticate. Click on the settings icon associated with that visual. Review the data source connected to this visual. Ensure the data source is accurate and authorized for use. Check the date range for the data displayed in the visual. Confirm that the data reflects the time period you intend to analyze. Next, look at the metrics represented in the visual. Cross-reference these metrics with the original data source for consistency. Take note of any discrepancies between the visual data and the original source. If discrepancies exist, troubleshoot by reviewing the integration settings. Ensure that data syncing is functioning correctly and on schedule. You may need to refresh or resync the data if issues persist. Once everything checks out, you can share your authenticated visuals confidently. Consider documenting your authentication process for future reference. This will help maintain data integrity and accountability in your analytics efforts. Regularly repeat this authentication process to ensure continued accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.